has issued fresh orders directing the government to facilitate the entry of lawyer Miguna Miguna back into the country on Tuesday, January the 7th. Issuing the orders, Justice Weldon Korir further directed that Miguna's Kenyan passport, currently under the custody of the registrar of the court, to be released. In a quick rejoinder, the Immigration Department also issued a statement saying it will comply with a court order to facilitate the return of Miguna Miguna, who was deported in 2018. Elvis Kosgei now reports.
My friend, I'm not going. You cannot take me from my country by force. Yes, so I'm not going. I'm not going. These are tax.
In a statement issued soon after the High Court ordered government officials to ensure Miguna is facilitated to return back into the country, Immigration Department Director General Alexander Muteshi said the controversial lawyer will not be barred from accessing the country. The High Court on Monday issued fresh orders directing government to facilitate the entry of Miguna Miguna back to the country. Justice Weldon Korir further directed that Miguna's Kenyan passport, currently under the custody of the registrar of the court, be released. The court further provided Miguna's lawyer, Dr. John Haminwa, together with Kenya National Commission on Human Rights, unhindered access to Miguna upon his landing at JKIA.
I'm not going anywhere. The captain cannot fly.
The firebrand Miguna on his Twitter handle said he had already left Canada and will be making several stopovers before taking his final flight to Nairobi on Tuesday.
I have announced that I am coming home on January the 7th, 2020 at 9:25 p.m. That is a Tuesday, January 7th, 2020 at 9:25 p.m.
It will be remembered that the firebrand lawyer was first deported in February 2018, days after his arrest over his role in the mock swearing-in of Orange Democratic Movement leader Raila Amolo Odinga on January 30th, 2018. He tried to return to Kenya in March 2018, but was denied entry and forced to spend 72 hours in a tiny room he described as a toilet.
I'm not going. Where are my luggage? Where is my passport? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
He was later deported to Canada for the second time via Dubai-bound EK722 flight. The Immigration Department later claimed that Miguna Miguna was in Kenya illegally, since he had reportedly renounced his Kenyan citizenship when he acquired a Canadian citizenship in the 90s. But Miguna denied the government claims that he had acquired a Canadian passport after ceasing to be a Kenyan in 1998. He currently has a court order reaffirming his right to Kenyan citizenship. It remains to be seen what next for Miguna Miguna. Elvis Kosgei,